In this video, a tube assembly is made to be adjustable in the context of the top-level assembly. Then, after the tube assembly is placed, an existing tube path is redefined with the adjustable tube. We begin by using Insert component to bring a tube assembly into the top-level assembly. To make a rigid subassembly adjustable, right-click the subassembly in Pathfinder. Point to Simplified Adjustable, and then click Adjustable Assembly. Then, right-click the tube part, point to Simplified Adjustable and click Adjustable Part. Hover over the assembly and the part to verify the modifications. If the subassembly is already adjustable, as in this example, simply bring it into the assembly and continue working. Placement is made simpler because the assembly relationships were stored earlier using the capture fit command. Now we are ready to redefine an existing path in ExpressRoute using the adjustable tube part. Click the adjustable tube part in the subassembly and then click Edit Definition. Since there is no need to use the path and the adjustable tube part, that path is deselected. Instead, the two line segments and the key point curve segment are used to redefine the path for the adjustable tube. Accept the selection, click Finish and close ExpressRoute. Because the tube parts are adjustable within the context of the top-level assembly, you can reposition a part connected to the tubes and the tubes update their position to reflect the move.